Youth aged 13 to 24 accounted for an estimate of 26% of all new HIV infections in the United States in 2010. Illinois Governor Bruce Rauner proposed to cut nearly 25% of the state's funding for the HIV and AIDS services in 2016, according to the AIDS Foundation of Chicago. Real Shy Youth had the opportunity to interview Andrew Roberts, Director of Care Services at Project Vita. When asked about Project Vita outreach program, Roberts said this.
So we have a HIV testing program which offers free HIV testing for the community. So we have providers that are bilingual, so we offer that service in both English and Spanish. So individuals can come in Monday through Friday from 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. And receive HIV testing.
AIDS have increased due to teens not being educated properly on the matter. When Robert was asked about the relationship between race and poverty, he suggested this.
It's information, so education, so knowing how HIV is spread, knowing how to protect yourself against contracting HIV or other STIs. And then once you have the knowledge, having access to free condoms, free lubrication, free testing services so people know their status. We recommend that individuals who are sexually active to be tested on a regular basis. And then individuals who contract HIV or STIs having access to care. So that's access to medical care, seeing a provider, having free access to their medications, as well as supportive services.
Real Shy Youth also had the opportunity to attend a fashion show hosted by Red Pump Project. Red Pump is a non-profit organization that brings awareness to HIV and AIDS for women and young adults.
I came to support because I think it's a great organization. I love the fact that two women of color were passionate about something and they did it together, they worked together. It says something when women are able to come together and do something positive. And I'm looking around here, we were just talking, the energy in here is beautiful. It's a beautiful thing. And I'm so glad to be a part of it, just put the word out there.
Real Shy also interviewed Alfredo Flores, counselor at Calor that promotes healthy lifestyles for young men of color in Austin on Chicago's far west side. Calor provides a variety of prevention and educational services designed primarily for people mostly at risk of HIV and AIDS. They also provide testing. People can join support groups and participate in outreach activities. And they also offer community forums on health issues to the public.
A lot of communities, I would say the Latino and African American community, specifically like low-income communities, are one of the communities most affected by it. I think it's because of resources. A lot of parts of the city are not funded to service those communities because most of the services are in downtown or Lakeview or in communities of different of non-Latino or African American communities. So that's why I think the rates of it's more often that African or Latinos get infected with HIV because the resources are not there.
For more information, you can visit their websites at www.calor.org and www.projectvita.org. This is Taranika Davis signing out.